What is up, guys? Checking it back here with another video. And today I am backing off Red Outlaws, but the reason why I haven't been posting is I've been playing on my computer and I can't get all my video software on there. So I've been trying to use Mobizen, but it won't work. But I just got done changing the oil in the dolly, so offload it. I'm going to pick up another dent side. It is a 78. But it ain't too far from my shop. We are on Ripon Ranch. Oh, here there's a hidden stop sign, so. Right there the butte is. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. But you're selling the inside? Okay. Alright. Guys, I'm gonna get into the truck, take it for a test drive, and then I'll catch you when we're in the truck. Walk down that nice path. Oh, you said 1,500? Alright, I can do 1,500. Alright, here you go. And, thanks for letting me buy. If you get any more, you got my number. Alright, thank you. Alright, guys, I'll catch you when I get loaded up. Guys, we got it loaded up. We're backing out of their yard now, trying not to tear it up. I don't mind me running that stop sign because I had to get took off. But the old dude is pulling it, but it's squatting. I hate doing turns like that without panels on wide. I forgot I gotta go into the junkyard. And right there here. Straight to the back of my garage. Yep. But, alright guys, I'll catch you next time. You know what to do if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.